Precision Brewer's My Brew preset allows coffee enthusiasts to customize brew settings easily. From bloom time to brewing temp and flow rate, you can adjust and automatically set the machine to create your coffee just the way you like it. Let's walk you through it. Turn the Select dial to My Brew and press the Select dial once to change the customization settings. Coffee blooming relates to hot water hitting the ground coffee and impacts the flavors and aromas in your cup. If your coffee is too bitter, shorten bloom time, and if it's too sour, increase it. Use the Select dial to adjust the time. We recommend 30 to 60 seconds. Hit the Select dial to confirm your input. Brewing at a higher temperature gives coffee a more full-bodied taste. The Precision Brewer's PID temperature control enables you to adjust this using the Select dial. To achieve the Gold Cup standard, water temperature is recommended around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 5 degrees. If too hot, your coffee will have an ashy taste, and when too cold, it'll be underdeveloped and grassy. Find your sweet spot and press the Select dial to set. Flow rate gives you more control over contact time and adjusts the water delivery speed. Choose from slow, medium, or fast. A slower flow rate will increase contact time and deliver a bolder tasting cup. If you prefer a lighter tasting brew, opt for fast. And if you're somewhere in between, or you like to change it up, a medium flow rate will be just right. The Precision Brewer, making your style of coffee perfect.